Hello and welcome to the tutorial series for sfirionBIM. In this video we will show you how to combine several partial models into one project. First you need our sfirionBIM conversion tool. Therefore go to our website www.sfirion.de/BIM. Scroll down to the sfirionBIM conversion tool and select Download for Windows. To be able to show you the process, we have prepared 3 partial models as IFC files. First, these IFC files need to be converted to sfBIM files. Open the conversion tool and select Convert IFC to sfBIM. Select your partial models and the tool will place the resulting files in the same folder with the same name but new extension. Sometimes the conversion process fails. In this case it may help to try it again right away. You can see any errors in the log during the conversion. Note that the conversion of larger files may take several minutes. In the next step we merge the partial models. To do this, we select the action Merge sfBIM files in our tool. We select all submodels and then the destination file. Note that the partial models must be planned in the same coordinate system and have the same origin. We recommend to merge your IFC files into one consolidated IFC model using professional tools. Now we have a complete model as sfBIM file. This can now be loaded into a project via the app instead of an IFC file. Thank you for using sfirionBIM. For more information visit our website www.sfirion.de/BIM.